video, I am going to tell you how you can create an account with Snowview and can set up your account, how to find emails and verify those emails, and the most important thing, what will you get in its free plan, and if you are thinking about email finder tool, then why you should go with Snowview and buy its premium plan. So watch this video till the end. Hey guys, this is Neha here and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more helpful videos. So let's begin the tutorial. First, let me tell you what is Snowview. So Snowview is a versatile email finder tool. With Snowview, you can build a targeted lead box and can achieve your sales easily. As you can see, we are in the website of Snowview and here you can see the sign up button. So just click on this to create your account. Now here you will get two options. Either you can sign in with your Google account or you can manually enter these details. So let me enter my details here. Neha, DM Neha, and here let me enter a password. Okay, and just click on sign me up. Here you can see the email already exists as I have already done this earlier. So when you do this for the first time, then Snowview will send a mail to your Gmail account to verify your account. So for this we need to go to our Gmail account and here you can see I got a mail from Snowview. Just click on this and here you can see click here to confirm. Just click on this to verify your account and now you can able to log in to your Snowview account. So let's log in. Okay, and now you can see we are done with this. Now the second step is we need to install Snowview for Chrome. Here one important point to note that this Snow extension you will get only in Google Chrome. You will not get this in Safari. So first you need to download Google Chrome and then you will get this extension. So let's do the next step and let's install this. So click here and now here you can see extension. Just click here and search for Snowview email finder. Okay, just click on this and here you can add to Chrome, add extension, and now you can see the extension. The extension is here. So let me show you first how you can get emails through this extension. Okay, let's go to a website, say digitaldeepak.com. Let's just open this and suppose if you want to know all the emails of this website, just simply click on this icon and now you will get list of all the emails. Here you can see if you want to save them all you can simply click here, but I don't want to save this, just I want to save 4 email IDs just to show you, and just click on save selected and now go to list and all these emails you can see here. So you are done. This way you can get all the emails from any website. So now next there are multiple ways to find emails. Here are the multiple ways through which we can find emails also. So let's see the next, why there is need to verify emails. When we verify email, it will clean all old or invalid emails so that our email will reach only to verified emails. And if we send mail to unverified email list, it will lead to high bounce rate, and because of this our account can be blocked by ESPs. So if you want to verify this email list, what you need to do, you just need to click on verify current list and just verify 4 emails. Here there are only 4 emails, so it won't take more time, but when there are many emails ID it will take more time. So while verification is going on you can do other things or you can even close the browser. They will notify you by emails when the process will be completed. And here you can see all the emails has been verified as they have the green sign. So now let me introduce to its next feature, that is launch drip campaign. What is drip campaign? Drip campaign is basically an email marketing communication strategy that sends a pre-written set of messages to customers over time. So with Snowview, you can easily launch your drip campaign. Now let me introduce to its one amazing tool also, that is company profile search. You can easily search for any company profile with Snovio. So now I think you got the clear idea about this powerful tool which will help you to target the right people wherever they are. So now let me tell you about its free plan and premium plan. So with the free plan, you will receive 50 credits. First, let me make you understand what is credit. Credit is basically a payment unit here that you can use for finding and verifying the emails. After using each tool, you will be charged a certain number of credit. For example, to verify one email, you will be charged 0.5 credit for each green or yellow email. To find an email in single domain search, you will be charged 1 credit for all emails that you found. So, I have shared an article in the description box where you can learn more about what is a credit and how to use it. So check that article to get more information. So basically with a free plan you will receive 50 credits and you can send your drip campaign to 100 unique email addresses. It will get renewed in every 30 days and you can only use 10 credits in one day. That is not sufficient to achieve your sales target. Snovio has multifunctional features which are just amazing. So if you are really looking for the right customer to fill your sales funnel, then you should go with its premium plan. So let me show you its premium plan. Here there are 4 plans. You can choose your best suitable plan, as they have clearly mentioned everything here that this plan is suitable for startups. Just go through this and buy the suitable plan for you. And if you are going with their annual plan, then they are giving 2 months for free. So if you want to buy this plan, then I will share the link in the description box. You can go there and buy the plan. And Snovio also have an excellent customer service which are there to solve your queries. So this is all about Snovio, friend. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, then please like the video and leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.